going to be taking a look at the Lego Creator Bookshop. This is an amazing modular set. Unfortunately, is retired. It is coming in with 2,504 pieces, set 10270 to 16 plus set. It is a 3-level modular. This set is unfortunately retired, but we will be building this live as our next set to be live. It is a nice modular building with 2 different buildings, one 3 floors, the other's 2 floors, and flip it on the back, you can get a little more detail of each room, each section, each little detail of what is going to happen in this set. So, let's crack open this box. Something unique I've never really seen before, but they had the instructions in its own little cavity in this set. Alright, right off the bat we got 2 base plates. Let's sit and figure out how many bags we have. Alright, so we got a total of 8 actual numbered bags. But I think if I'm not correct, we got about 18 physical bags. 2's got 2, 1's got 2, 3's got 2, 4's got 3, 5's got 2, 8's got 2, 7's got 2, 6's got 3. So we got about 18 bags altogether, but every bag's got 2. Just 6 and 4 have 3. Now let's crack open the instructions. Which, once again, like I said, the instructions were in its own cavity. We got a total of 2 booklets. 1 and 2. They're actually in booklet form, which is actually nice. It's not in that big, bold, short type of booklet. It's in an actual booklet with all the details, and on the back of the second book it actually shows all the pieces being used. We also had another bag that's used as more plate, big, bold pieces. So this is everything you get in the bookshop. Stay tuned, we will be building this set live, and then afterwards we will be reviewing it, and then we'll be lighting it. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, keep building your life, just one simple brick at a time. Bye for now.